Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites: VS Code, a C compiler like GCC, and the Microsoft C/C++ extension. Open your new workspace folder in VS Code and install extensions now. Once done, set the compiler path so the terminal recognizes GCC, type GCC version to verify. Then create a simple hello C file in the workspace and save it. Make sure you use UTF-8 encoding and C extension so language features and IntelliSense activate immediately. Next, configure build and debug. You add a tasks JSON that runs GCC-GO output file. See, so debugging symbols are included. This lets breakpoints map to source. Then create a launch JSON selecting the CPPDBG adapter and point to the compiled executable. Once configured, set up the integrated terminal shell you prefer and run the task. Make sure to bind keys or use the Run and Debug pane. This streamlines rebuilds and stepping through code when you hit runtime issues. Finally, build and run your program in the integrated terminal and run unit tests or input redirection as needed. Use breakpoints, step over and step into functions, and watch variables to inspect state while debugging. Once done, refactor with extensions like Code Runner or Format with Clang Format. If things go wrong, check the path, include paths and compiler flags first, then confirm tasks. JSON and launch. JSON target the same executable and working directory to resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.